Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 208 GT line. This car comes with a lovely specification. We've got a lot of features with the car. That includes things like satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, cruise control, rear parking sensors, along with DAB digital radio. You've also got climate control. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you, have a good day.